guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashpika. Welcome to Global Arte Magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're going to be talking about another secret website where you can sell your artwork, your designs online and can make money. And this is a series of secret websites, so make sure to check out the complete playlist of these secret websites to get in touch with the new opportunities online, that's where you can make more money by selling your art and designs. I'm going to leave that complete playlist in the card section above, you can check it out. But today there is another website, and this website many of you wouldn't ever hear about it because this is really a new website and not many people know about it. So let's talk about this website coming up guys. Before we go to part, consider clicking the like button guys, really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos. You will be get notified about it when we do so. Also we have the bunch of free resources for you to help you make more money with your print-on-demand business and to make it more easy and fun. So the link are in the description box below. Simply head over to globalcreative.com, check out all the freebies that we have. And make sure to check it out each month because we upload every month, and also it contains full commercial license so you can use it for your purpose. Now let's talk about that secret website. Now this secret website is really something new website, and I feel like this website is amazing the way it is, and it's also a print-on-demand website, and also it's there for building up your own brand or your business around your own niche and topic or around your whatever interest and hobby. So without further ado, let's talk about that website. That is the apliiq.com. Now many of you wouldn't ever hear about it. I'm going to leave all the links of this website in the description box below. You can very well check it out. Let's talk about this website. What is different about this website and how you can use it to make money online and sell your work on it. So it's your brand. Discover a trusted partner to start and grow your brand. So that's the apliiq, apliiq.com. Los Angeles and Philadelphia. So it's a United States based company. You can either have a drop shipping, you can run the campaigns, you can sell your products, and you can do the bunch of the different variety of the options. So let's first talk about what different kinds of products you can sell on this website and you can make money by that. So start a clothing line. You can start with the products like the custom t-shirts, the custom hoodies, the hats, joggers, women's, kids clothing, woven label tags, jackets. So these are some kind of products which you can sell on this website. Obviously you can check it out the website and look more for it. What's the detail about these different kinds of product? What are the product quality? What is the product range? Is it really worth your time and effort or not? You very well can do your research, but purpose of this episode of this secret website is just to let you know guys about the different opportunities that are available in the online space. There are so many different websites which can help you to make more money. Some may be applicable for you depending on your own unique situation and ability and all, and some may not be applicable to you, but it's awesome to know more about it. And we are here to help you make more money. That's the purpose of our brand. That's the Globo Arte, dedicated to helping the artists and the designers and the creative people who want to make money, introducing you to the different new opportunities, new ideas, new websites, and so much more in our each and every episode. So consider subscribing if you are really interested in making money online and you're a creative person, then this channel is exactly for you. What the services they offer. So cut and sew, printing, stitching, label and tags, and they're kind of like additional services. Now one thing I'm going to tell you guys, it's not a marketplace. Now you would be thinking that I can open up a shop on just like a Redbubble and Teepublic on this website and can start selling my print-on-demand products. No, it's not a marketplace. Although you can run the campaigns, I'm going to be talking about in a second about the campaigns, what does that really look like and how you can set up and all, but it's more specifically for the people who are looking for a printify or printful kind of like an option. Of course, it's free to get started with that. This is the another question that often come into the mind when we are looking for a new website, whether it's free or not, Yes, it's free to get started with that. Obviously, you need to read the terms and conditions much more in depth. I'm not gonna cover them in depth in this video, guys. Private label your brand. So this is the unique opportunity. I think that is the most important whenever you're starting with your brand, with your own website, and you want to sell your own print-on-demand products or simply the products, then private label, that's a white labeling is there. You can brand your own products and you can connect it with the Shopify. This is the amazing option they have. You can install the Shopify app, and you can start with your own website on the Shopify, and then you can connect with this website for this website that you can order your products and you can sell them in the person. For example, if you're having a physical store at your locality or whatever you can call it, in your city or in your country, and would you like to sell the different products in your store, then very well you can go over to this website and can order the bulk of the different products and can start selling them in your person, in the physical store, in your own country. Okay, so that is a unique thing about it. They also offer the wholesale option. So because if you are ordering a lot of the bulk of the orders or bulk of the products from this website, you'll be getting the wholesale discount, which is very important. Because if you are having a physical store and you want a bunch of the different products like the t-shirts, jackets, and so on and so forth, then very well you can go with their that is the wholesale option. So the perfect partner to design and manufacture your custom streetwear. Create your account. You can just enter your email address and can sign up for the free. It's free to open up an account in this website and can start selling. Then custom enjoy these benefits. You can order the bulk and you're gonna get the discounts. 2-week turnaround time, variety of services, print, embroidery, apliiq, no minimums on clothing, apliiq artist reviews every order. That's also amazing. Your brand label sewn into your clothing line. Is that if you are starting with your own brand and you want your brand logo to be sewn on your products, then this website offers that facility, which I think that not many print-on-demand options or websites are offering this particular facility. Like if you really wanted to have a branded clothes or a branded kind of like option, like every logo or like every t-shirt or every jacket would need to have the logo of your brand sewn. So they actually sew that on your product and then deliver to you and all. So this is an amazing option. If you're ordering in the bulk, you're getting the discount and there is no minimum order, because in some of the websites, they obviously ask you to order a minimum quantity, then only they're going to supply you that particular product, so you need to have that minimum quantity. But in this website there is no minimum quantities there. You can order from one piece to the X amount of pieces, that whatever you want to order. Shipping option, I already talked about that you can connect it with the Shopify and start shipping and manufacturing. Then you can create a campaign. Now let's talk about the campaign, what I really mean by that. Now if you know about the Kickstarter or very well, some of the websites also offer this facility where you can start with your own campaign. Like you can set your campaign goals for selling the 50 products, okay? And you have set the goals to sell those 50 products in that campaign. Then you can decide the your target of your campaign, that I'm gonna sold 50 products in this campaign, and then you can actually estimate the time that I will be able to sell it in the 1 month or 6 months, and then you can set your campaign time and campaign target and make that campaign go live on this website. And once your campaign go live, then you can share and promote on the social media or your friends, your family members, and ask them to purchase. And when you reach to that campaign goal, then obviously you can make money. So running a campaign is an amazing option to Kickstarter your project and to get it go with your brand in the very beginning, or even if you are kind of like in between and you want more sales to come and go. Because this kind of like thing, I see that get started with the Kickstarter. If you guys don't know about the Kickstarter, that Kickstarter is an amazing website where you can fund your projects, where you can fund your brand. If you're starting with something and you want to have funds for your projects or have funds for your brand and you don't have one, you don't need to go with venture capital or those investors and to pitch them to invest in your business or your company. You can simply go over to the Kickstarter and run a campaign for a particular amount of time, and for depending on that particular time you can set the goal of your campaign and can start onto the Kickstarter. And if you meet that specific goal, and then obviously your campaign is live and your campaign is successful, and you need to meet the demands of your campaign. And for every campaign goals, you need to provide value to the people in exchange of the funds, because no other person will going to pay you something without getting anything in return. For example, if you are selling the print-on-demand products, you can set the campaign like, I'm going to deliver you a t-shirt at $20 and I'm going to be selling this hundreds of t-shirts in just 2 months. So you can set this time specific, and then you can set your campaign goals that I need to sell the 100 t-shirts in this 2 months. And then you can set the price of your campaigns, the different types of tier system. That's, I think, Kickstarter has. I don't know about the apliiq, whether they have or not, but you can set the different tiers, and then if you hit that goal and you reach to that goal, then your campaign is successful. And once you're reach to that goal, that campaign ends over there, and then you need to supply, or then you need to provide that particular product to your customer or the people who have funded your project. It's an awesome way to fund your project, your brand in the beginning, when you don't have a funds and when you don't know how you're gonna get the money, or you don't know who is there to buy your product. So that is about the starting with the campaign. I talk about the Kickstarter, and the similar thing is there with the apliiq over here as well, but I don't think that they're gonna help you with providing the different tier system, because it's only for the print-on-demand products. You can't sell anything apart from that. But I think it's a great option if you're looking for selling your print-on-demand products, selling your art and designs on different platforms, because I see that few of the things that are quite unique about this platform is, one, that you don't have a minimum order. Like, you don't need to have a 10 orders, then only you can order something, or you only need to have a 10 quantity, something like that. There is no minimum order. You can purchase one single product as well, and multiple different as well. So that is the unique thing about that. Second thing is about the wholesale program. Like, you can order in bulk and you're going to get the discount, which website have this wholesale program. And another drop shipping is a common thing, but still an opportunity which can't be overlooked. Now let's the last thing which I find is quite interesting and quite amazing, which I feel like if you're starting with your brand, then obviously you need to have a branded t-shirt or branded clothes, then you can have your logo sewn on your clothes. That experience, and from my research, I didn't find that facility in any other website, which I think is unique about this website. You can also have the printmaking, this embroidery, and different kinds of stitching and sewing for your products, which I amazing thing I want to talk about, guys, is the more you order, the more you can save in bulk. You can save up to 55%. Like, if you are ordering something for selling in person, or for just simply for promotion and all that, I would tell you to order in the bulk in one go, so that you're gonna get a good discount. Like, they can give you a 55% of discount on the more bulk of the orders, so which is an awesome thing. So I hope you enjoyed today's video and you find it useful. Do let me know in the comment section below what you think, and if you have any more queries and questions, I would really love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys, and see you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.